What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, Team Stacy. And if you have juice, water, or anything next to you, take a shot, okay? Because you made it into the New Year's with me, and that is on period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
All right, my loves. So today's video is sponsored by Kisslove Hair. They did go ahead and send me this 26-inch 360 wig. Okay, look at that. Look at all that lace. Yes, my girl. They sent me this 360 unit. And this is 250% density. I'm showing you guys their site. They have so many wigs to offer. This is the wig that I have on my head. So I did go ahead, bleach and pluck the knots off camera, and I did go ahead and dye this hair jet black. Y'all can have some long hair too, girl, because they got 34 inches. Okay, you're gonna be giving if you hit the 34-inch, girl. But I did do the 26-inch. So in today's video, I know it's a little bit different for me, but let me just, introduce myself for the new girls around here that are not part of the team yet. That's okay. So typically on my channel, I do all things beauty, and I do like to show you guys how to install your own wigs and how to do your own makeup. And I do that because when I was younger, I could not afford to get my hair done. I couldn't afford it. My mom couldn't afford it, and neither could I. So when I was old enough to get a job, I was able to pay for the hair, but I still couldn't afford to go to a stylist. So that's where I learned how to do my own wigs. And that's why I love to teach you guys how to do your own hair, how to do your own makeup, and just make yourself look good. Because I remember stumbling around the DIY side of social media trying to figure out how to be a baddie on a budget. Before I finish this story, could we please get into this lace? Shout out to Miracle Me Effect because she is slaying this hair, okay? Kisslove. This hair is so raw. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. Look at this wig. It is so melted. Like, also, I did go ahead and do my makeup off camera. That's also what I do here. Even though in today's video, I am not the one installing the wig, we have somebody else doing it. I really wanted to just talk about in this new year how it's just so important to love on yourself and pamper yourself and treat you like the princess that you actually are. It's important to know how to do things by yourself as well. I do stand on that. If a stylist cancels on me, I can do my hair myself. If my makeup artist cancels on me, I can do it myself. If my nail tech cancels on me, I can put press-ons myself. I'm not dependent on anybody, and that's why it's so important to subscribe to channels like mine so you can teach yourself how to do your own thing. However, it is important to be able to sit down in a chair and be pampered. In this clip right here, I am literally falling asleep. Like, I can't do that when I'm doing my own hair. This is a form of self-love. Like, literally just sit there and be the princess that you are, doze off, fall asleep, whatever. Okay, so I just really wanted to say that for whoever needed to hear that. This year, it's not your bills come first all the time. Yes, make sure you're working hard, you putting your money up for your bills and whatever, but invest in a good wig like this. This is a great wig that you can put in your little hair treasure box and always go back to it because it's high quality. Also, invest. Yeah, I'm literally sleeping so bad in this video right now. It's so funny. But invest in a stylist, maybe one that's not $300, but somebody that's affordable, that does good work. Invest in yourself because when you look good, you feel good, and I am a firm believer in that. So I just had to go on my little rant right quick. Right here, she's just adding these gorgeous curls. In today's video, you're literally going to get two looks in one. You're going to get the wifey curls, and then you're also going to get the updo, because don't forget, I did tell you guys this is a 360 unit, so we get to do both, okay? So she's just pinning my hair up. I'm just going to speed the clips up and let you guys just watch what's going on here, and I'm going to turn the music up. All right, guys, so now she is gonna pull my curls out. and she's going to just comb them and have them flow so beautifully. I was so obsessed with this look. The look I'm going for in 2024 is the soft look, the soft, effortless, but then effort. I don't know. Like, I'm just going for that soft life kind of look. And I really wanted to do a sew-in, but this hair was so quality. It literally looks like it could be like a sew-in. Like, it's just so flat, but then I don't know, it's just so perfect. It just, the sheen, everything on it really gave like luxury sew-in, and I just love that. So here she's just layering my hair just a little bit more, but in the next few seconds, you guys are going to see the final look. Well, y'all saw it in the thumbnail, but girl, when I say this wig eats down, this is what we are giving. It's giving very much wife. It's giving NBA player wife, NFL player wife. You know, it's just giving. And if you want to give like this, get your hands on this hair, because I don't know what to tell you. Like, look, girl, I feel like I could pull anybody. Like, I wanted to go everywhere in the world so they could see me with this hair. And it held a curl. Stop playing with me, girl. Period. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this look, but the video is not done here. Like I told you, this is a 360 wig, so I'm gonna show you guys an updo. So in this updo, this was actually recorded on my birthday. I was getting ready to go out for my birthday, and I've always wanted to do those beautiful updos with the bang. Never got it done for my birthday. I always ended up getting like a bust down middle part or something. So I was very excited that she brung my birthday dream to life. Thank you so much, Miracle Me Effect, girl. I love you. Thank you. So yeah, she was just doing my edges and getting my bang together, my part, just making sure everything is nice and laid down. I was definitely in a rush in today's video because, like I said, it's my birthday and I needed to get my butt to dinner. But this hair just, oh my God, it is just so gorgeous. It's so versatile. I am just deeply in love and deeply obsessed with this hair. Okay, here she's just curling the last few pieces on my bun and just pinning them up. I'm just so in love here. Like, I just love being pampered, and I just can't wait to lean more into this for the new year. So now she's just perfecting my bang. One thing I love about Miracle Me Effect is she is a perfectionist. You're going to leave loving your hair, and that is on period. Like, whatever you have in your head or whatever inspiration picture, she's just going to replicate it so freaking well. So here's the final look of this updo. Like I said, I was out for my birthday and I was at my birthday dinner, so I didn't get much clips because I was really just trying to live in the moment. But this hair is so versatile and I'm so obsessed. If you guys want to get your hands on this unit, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the information down below in the description box with the purchasing link and some promo codes for you guys, because you know, if you team Stacy, I got you. Like, I have to look out. Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and shop this hair that's sent to me by Kisslove. Give this video a big thumbs up, because if you made it this far, obviously you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.